promise to love you, to be your best friend, and to respect and to support you. I promise to be patient with you and to work together with you to achieve our dreams. I promise to accept you unconditionally and to share life with you throughout the years.
I take you to be my best friend, my faithful partner, and the love of my life. I promise to respect you, to encourage and support you, to be patient with you and to always be open and honest. I will forever be there to laugh with you, cheer you up when you are down, and to love you unconditionally through all our adventures in life together.